Hey, Catherine, what are we going to do today?
I don't know about you, but I'm going well climbing.
I can't see the sea. I can't see the sea. Are you coming?
Yeah. Here's the part where we sneak in. Let's go.
Catherine, look!
Animal droppings. Rebecca.
What?
You know what I hear?
Birdies?
No. I hear there's bears in these woods.
Shh, we gotta be sneaky. Come on. Did you hear that? I think it was a bear. Oh my gosh! What are we gonna do? My sources say we should either scream like little babies or run away.
Look, a paper! What does it say? Hurry, hurry, read it!
Evil!
Ah! Look, a hole! Maybe that's where the bear lives. Die, bear! Die!
Hey, Catherine! Look! A tree!
Hooray! It's a good thing I'm wearing camouflage. Your pants smell like you wet your trousers.
You're right.
Uh-oh.
This forest never ending.
I don't know!
Do you hear that? Water! Water! Water!
Where?
Right behind you, you nincompoop. Oh my god!
Mmm, yummy. It looks like a vast, giant pool of candy. Only better and green. Look, there was a fire. Someone has been here. Let's go.
Well, we've reached our destiny. Let's go!
Dun, 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 dun. Jump on it! Jump on it! How do I get up? That is the question, but I will do it. Don't step on me! Don't step on me! Hey, look, a foot! What are you doing?
Yoga.
Ready for some real action? Ding! How did you do that?
With a little help from my friend.
Oh, God! Somebody save me! Stuck up here 7 days. 7 days. I don't know how to get down. There's no way down. I have an idea. Let's go see the goats. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Bah! Bah! I'm practicing for my show. Snap, snap, it's Catherine's turn. I'm getting down. I would like never do that.
What is this pole for?
I know. That's a knee slapper. She survived. How will I get out?
Whee! Oh, look, we're saved. Look at them. Don't they look so delicious?
Just like me.
No. Look, they are amazing. Let's go feed them.
Ready?
Do you hear that?
I'm here.
Goodbye, my pretty. Until next time. Look! A road!
Why didn't we take that before, you idiots?
I don't know. Catherine and Rebecca returned safely home until their mother found them.
Girl!